There was a huge announcement in the real estate industry recently that I just don't think has gotten the attention it deserves based on the impact I see it's going to have on both buyers and sellers alike. Hi, I'm Joe Saccone with the Saccone Team at Keller Williams Realty, and these new guidelines revolve around the down payment needed for multifamily properties that are going to be owner occupied. Now, these new guidelines are beneficial for both buyers and sellers. So if you're a buyer, you're going to now be able to get in with just 5% down for owner occupied 2, 3, and 4 unit homes. As a seller, you're going to benefit because there is going to be higher demand now that more people can qualify with less money down. So regardless of which side of the fence you sit on, buyer or seller, there's significant potential in today's market. So these new changes are awfully significant. Buyers of two-family homes used to have to put down 15%, and if they were looking to purchase a 3 or 4 unit, 25% of the total cost of the property. In both instances, Fannie Mae has reduced that to just 5%. So here's a really specific example using real life numbers. Let's say you're a buyer and you're looking for a $400,000 2-unit home, right? That buys you a pretty nice one here in Western New York. The old guidelines would have required you to put $60,000 down. The new guidelines at just 5%, you'd be able to buy that property with just $20,000 down. The buyer that this is going to help the most is the one with a higher income and less savings. Because this new guideline includes a no income limit, meaning there's no limit to the amount of income you can earn to qualify, it is going to increase the number of buyers in the 2, 3, and 4 family home market here in Western New York. So if you're a buyer looking to own or occupy a 2, 3, or 4 family home, it's both good news and bad news. Of course, the good news is it's going to cost you less to get in. The bad news could be that if it's going to cost less for you to get in, it's also going to cost less for other people, meaning more competition. And if you're a seller, someone that's thinking of selling one of your investment properties, really it's just good news. More demand will likely lead to higher prices. So if you're a seller that's considering unloading one of your investment properties, this could be an ideal time when rates are high and demand has waned a little bit. This new program is going to bring more buyers into the market and create more demand for your property. So a quick recap, this new program is for buyers of 2, 3, and 4 unit homes, must be owner occupied, and there is no income cap. Remember that. If you'd like to take advantage of this as either a buyer or seller, reach out. I'd love to help.